This challenge will eventually evolve into a project that I call the Grunge Collage. First, I start with an illustration on a whiteboard, inspired by the random words cake, brain, and agony. I render the illustration with Adobe Capture, and then move to the free Photoshop-like website, Photopea. I create a new document and then place my rendered illustration. I have to cut apart my drawing because I drew it in 2 pieces, but once it's done, I'll shift and position the lines to create an interesting composition. For this one, I push the lines a little off the canvas, just to create a little interest and tension. Next, I'll place a few textures and push my illustration to the top layer and set it to multiply. By doing this, the white becomes transparent, the black lines create definition, and the photos of the texture will show through. The next step, and definitely the longest, is play. I'll play with the blending modes and adjustment layers to give the illustration some color, form, and depth. One trick that I'll always use in a project like this is setting a layers adjustment layer to multiply to add shadow, or screen to add highlights. With selective masking, you can create some interesting detail. Before I finish, I create a vignette by adding another levels adjustment layer set to multiply, and then mask out the middle with a big, fuzzy brush.